Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make an image wider in photopea. Let's begin. Step 1. Go to File, Open Image, then go to Image. You can use canvas size or image size as you wish. First of all, use canvas size and white. Example, white pixels. Relative change pixels percent millimeters inch as you wish. Now click OK. And now see this wider. And step 2, delete this text layer, then go to File, Open and Place, click any image inserted and hold shift, select the corner wider, again hold shift wider. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Again hold shift. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.